If your vehicle is not equipped with these cruise control buttons, please see your owner's manual for more information. The Intelligent Cruise Control, or ICC system, works the same as the conventional cruise control, with the added feature of maintaining a set distance from the vehicle in front of you. To access ICC, push and quickly release this switch. Accelerate to your desired speed and then push this switch down to set your cruising speed. When traffic is clear, ICC will maintain a set speed between 20 and 90 miles per hour. If the vehicle detects a slower moving vehicle ahead, the ICC will lower your speed to match the slower vehicle. Once the road is clear again, the ICC will resume your set speed. There are 3 different distance settings that can be used: long, middle, and short. The system starts in long, and by pushing this switch, you can cycle through the other distance options. The distance to the vehicle ahead depends on the speed, so the higher the speed, the further the distance. If the vehicle ahead comes to a stop, the vehicle decelerates to a standstill. Once your vehicle stops, the ICC system keeps the vehicle stopped. After a period of time, the ICC system will disengage. When this happens, make sure to keep the brake pedal depressed. To change to a faster cruising speed, push and hold this switch up. Release at your desired cruising speed. If you push the switch up and quickly release it, each push will increase your set speed by about 1 mile per hour. To reset at a slower cruising speed, push and hold this switch down. Release when you have reached the desired slower speed. If you push the switch down and quickly release it, each push will decrease your set speed by about 1 mile per hour. Press cancel or tap your brake pedal to cancel cruise control. Push this switch up to resume cruising at your last set speed. Push this switch to turn cruise control off completely. To access the conventional cruise control, ensure the ICC system is off. Then press and hold this switch. In order to switch between conventional and ICC, the system must be turned off and then back on to your preferred mode. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, an indicator and/or a warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to resume normal system operation. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.